Google Cloud Connect for Microsoft Office is a free plugin that lets you share and simultaneously edit Word, PowerPoint, and Excel files with other people. With Cloud Connect, you can sync your Microsoft Office files to the Google Cloud without ever leaving Office. Once synced, files are continuously backed up, given a unique web address so others you share with can access your file from anywhere, even mobile devices. Google Cloud Connect makes it easier to take advantage of Google Apps. All you need is a free plugin and a Google account. Let's say Bob is editing a PowerPoint presentation and wants input from his team. With Cloud Connect, changes he makes are synced automatically to the cloud, making them easier to share than ever. When Bob shares the files with Kim gets a link in her email, downloads the documents from the cloud, and starts editing in Microsoft Office just as she normally would. Both Bob and Kim can now work on all the project files at the same time. Kim can add a chart to their shared budget spreadsheet, while Bob updates the underlying data. Everything works the same, whether they're using Word, PowerPoint, or Excel. Co-editing even works when Kim is offline, like on an airplane. Cloud Connect will sync edits the next time she connects to the web. Overlapping edits are no problem. If Bob and Kim both edit the same section at the same time, it's easy to choose whose edits to keep. Cloud Connect saves Bob and Kim the hassle of sending attachments back and forth, reconciling each other's edits, and keeping track of which file is the current version. And if you want to let other people access but not edit a file, you can always share a view-only link to the online document in Google Docs. Google Cloud Connect stores all revisions of a file so you can easily roll back to a previous version. With Cloud Connect, you gain all the benefits of the cloud without learning anything new or upgrading existing software. Cloud Connect is available now for Microsoft Office 2003, 2007, and 2010. Download Google Cloud Connect for Microsoft Office today.